In the world of ultralight drones, DJI has absolute control. They created the sub-249 gram category, perfected it, and forced every competitor to play catch-up. But if you think the previous Mini lineup was the absolute peak of small drone technology, what is happening behind closed doors right now changes everything. The latest flood of regulatory filings, supply chain leaks, and internal testing reports surrounding the DJI Mini 6 Pro reveal something far bigger than a simple incremental refresh. DJI is preparing to push microengineering to its theoretical limit, attempting to pack true flagship-level hardware into a body that still evades strict aviation registration in the United States and across the globe. The question isn't whether the Mini 6 Pro will be an upgrade. The question is whether it will make almost every other portable camera drone on the market completely obsolete. To understand why the Mini 6 Pro is causing such a massive stir across the content creation community, you have to examine the brutal pressure DJI is currently navigating. Flight authorities are tightening airspace regulations, content creators are demanding cinema-level image quality without carrying heavy cases, and regulatory uncertainty in the US market has forced DJI to innovate faster than ever. The entire Mini line was built on a very specific compromise: keep the drone under 249 grams to bypass registration requirements, but accept smaller camera sensors, lower thermal limits, and reduced battery efficiency. With the Mini 6 Pro, leaks indicate that DJI is attempting to kill that compromise once and for all. Let's start with the headline feature that has sent shockwaves through the industry: the camera module. Insider reports and leaked factory schematics suggest DJI is testing a stacked CMOS camera sensor paired with a custom variable aperture lens. Up until now, small drones suffered tremendously in unpredictable lighting conditions. You were forced to constantly swap physical neutral density filters or deal with blown-out highlights and noisy, crushed shadows. The Mini 6 Pro's rumored camera architecture dynamically adjusts to harsh lighting on the fly, offering dynamic range and low-light performance that rivals high-end professional drones. Imagine flying through a dense forest at golden hour, capturing bright sunbeams breaking through the trees without sacrificing a single detail in the dark forest floor. That is the visual leap being engineered into this compact camera. However, stunning image quality means absolutely nothing if your aircraft drops out of the sky after a few minutes. Flight time has always been the single hardest boundary to push in microdrones. Every fractions of a gram counts. Add a larger battery, and you instantly cross the 249 gram threshold, triggering strict flight restrictions. Keep it lightweight, and your flight time collapses under real-world wind conditions. Supply chain leaks indicate DJI is introducing next-generation silicon anode battery chemistry into the Mini 6 Pro. We aren't just looking at a nominal 1-minute increase. Engineering targets suggest real-world hovering and flight times approaching 40 to 50 minutes on a standard pack, all while holding that critical sub-249 gram weight. For creators executing complex landscape reveals or tracking fast-moving subjects across open terrain, those extra minutes represent the exact line between capturing a viral shot and flying home empty-handed. Now, let's talk about the autonomous intelligence steering this drone, because this is where the leaks get truly wild. Safety systems on compact drones used to be a secondary backup, a basic sensor array to stop you from backing into a wall. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to integrate full multi-directional vision supported by embedded artificial intelligence processing and micro-LED AR modules. This is no longer just about obstacle avoidance, it is about predictive pathing. Leaked software testing notes reveal an upgraded active track system that doesn't just follow a target, but predicts line-of-sight pathing in complex environments. If you are mountain biking down a dense, covered trail or driving along a winding coastal road, the Mini 6 Pro can project your trajectory in real time, weaving through dense foliage and overhanging obstacles like a professional FPV pilot operating fully on autopilot. This brings us to one of the most critical upgrades in the entire leak cycle: transmission. Stability. Anyone who has flown near urban centers, crowded beaches, or dense radio frequency environments knows the anxiety of sudden video lag, signal degradation, and black screens. The Mini 6 Pro is slated to launch with an upgraded OcuSync transmission protocol. Utilizing automated dynamic band switching and redesigned high-efficiency antennas woven directly into the drone's ultralight carbon composite frame, the live feed connection achieves unmatched stability. You receive an uncompressed, crystal-clear, ultra-low latency video feed directly to your controller even when flying around architectural obstacles or pushing the aircraft toward maximum operating distance. What makes all of this engineering remarkable is how DJI is handling heat management. Packing a high-power image processor, multiple AI logic boards, and a high bitrate video transmitter inside a tiny, sealed plastic shell creates extreme internal heat. Early testing reports revealed thermal throttling during extended high-resolution recording in high ambient temperatures. To fix this without adding heavy cooling fans, the internal architecture has been fully re-engineered. Utilizing ultra-lightweight magnesium alloy heat diffusion plates combined with passive aerodynamic channels, the Mini 6 Pro draws cool air directly through the chassis while in motion. This design enables continuous, high bitrate video capture without thermal shutdowns, even under direct summer heat. For serious filmmakers, YouTube creators, and commercial pilots, the camera features inside the software are where the true power lies. Leaked firmware benchmarks reveal native support for professional log color profiles at high bit rates with full 10-bit depth, giving editors massive latitude in color grading. You no longer need to accept over-sharpened images or clamped dynamic ranges. You can seamlessly match Mini 6 Pro shots with footage from full-frame cinema gear. Furthermore, rumors confirm an enhanced gimbal rotation mechanism for native vertical video. Instead of digitally cropping landscape video and losing half your resolution, the gimbal physically rotates 90 degrees in a fraction of a second, capturing full-sensor vertical video optimized for high-performing short-form platforms without sacrificing a single megapixel. So why is this specific release generating so much heat across the tech world right now? Because the launch window is drawing near, and the competitive landscape is under intense pressure. Production supply lines are scaling, component orders are filling, and DJI is focused on locking down its absolute dominance over the portable drone category. They aren't just releasing a slight specs bump, they are creating a benchmark that competing brands will take years to match. If these leaked specifications and factory reports hold true, the Mini 6 Pro won't just be another incremental option on store shelves. It will fundamentally shift what creators expect from portable camera technology. It eliminates every single barrier between professional aerial cinematography and effortless portability. No bulky equipment cases, no mandatory FAA registration hurdles for casual use, and no need for massive production crews. Everything required to shoot breathtaking cinematic visual content will sit inside a jacket pocket, ready to take flight in seconds. The future of aerial storytelling is unfolding rapidly, and when this machine officially hits the skies, it will rewrite the playbook overnight.